Yede radia sin so or the ache na ene I know say obeye inshira baby a wo bia na onyame adoye ne ne mobro ho aye kese ma ene masem no ewo Psalm 107 verse 20. Psalm 107 verse 20. And no enamijina so edia shown crying. And it's a prayer this morning. Yes, Sarah, this on Domie. Psalm 107 verse 20 says, He sent out his word and healed our disease. And healed them. He rescued them from the grave. Another version says he sent out his word and healed them and delivered them from their distractions. The songwriter once said, I'll say, na osumana semne sanwan yare. Osumana semne sanwan yare. Na ojiwon free was say mu. Other versions say, what you want free, owu aminemo. Psalm 107 verse 20. The Living Translation, they can say, He sent out His word and healed them, snatching them from the door of the deaf. Oh, you want free, owu aminemo. Osuma na sem no. Ene erade suma na sem ma na emfa yaresa ne ogie ne fa hodie embrel. His word heals. It's part of him. A kanyan krompon. Set nasem sanyarewa. And now I'm not paying so midweek edition. And now not paying masem say. A radia was sanyarewa on sanyarie. He sent forth his word and healed them. And then nasem on for nasem so and fire is embro. Baby, I will be and none pay. I yarisera, what jira, fahudira, one wow money mania fahudino, often asem and sound yari. The songwriter once says, I am the Lord that healed thee, and I sent my word and healed your diseases. I am the Lord, your healer. I am the Lord. Osi onuni nyame a wosan yen yadewa. Ene erade san yare wate. Wa brabo mu ade biara eyare wom. Ayare san frisro embrama because onuni ayare sera, onuni ayare sera. Oma ayare san frisro mrama o. Otibia nimo Oma yarisa embrama na eradia yarisa enwie peye emao. Okay, Exodus chapter 23 verse 25 was it? Worship the Lord your God, and his blessing will be on you and your food, your water, and he will take your sicknesses away from you. Wasi sumaradu nyankopon na nishira ebeba waduane enu nsuoso waduane enu nsuoso na erade beyin yarewa afri masas so erade beyin yarewa afri mumu erade beyin yarewa afri nipaduane and I speak as a servant of God, I speak as a prophet of God, I speak as a man called by God, say and none of pain ya yadiate no Nia yadie ehano, nia yadie dininya, nia yadie kunanimu ase, nia yadie yamana kademo ayarisa emramao. Well, see, he would take sickness from you. Obey yadie frimumu, and neradini yari frimu. Na omana yarisa we pay. I am the Lord that heals your disease. One in Yamia was saying Yarwadia, Papa, and no pay saying Yaria. My Yarisa, and we pay ye my near Yaria, Amma, Waya Bofra, Eradicaili beam. Yempaibo nyina no payin say Erade wo ye yaresafo a wo san yarewa. Now we take you by your word and we believe in your word. Ye je wasem di na wasem say wo san yarewa, wo send wo de wasem ba na wasem be yi free yarewa mu dia. Enenia o yare. Nia na dwuma yare, nia ni sika sam yare, nia na brapo yare. Enna ayaresera. Let there be a healing rain. Ma ayaresa nsuo ntongu maso. Ma ayaresa nsuo ntongu maso. Ewo ayaresa bia ho. Ewo fidua ni mu. Ewo asori fie ho. Ewo abusum fie ho mpo. Erade kosa wo ma yare. Bebia wo bawo bia rade wo na wo ye yaresa ra. Ma yaresa nya adwuma. Also, you sent your word and heal our diseases. I love the scripture. Psalm 107 verse 20. Also, he sent his word and healed them. Osuma nasem na ebesan wonyare na ehwimu fi owamenemu. And then yawa ben owamena. Erade asem emfa yaresa enbrel. Na ehwimu emfi owamenemu. Other versions say na ehwimu free o oseyemu ene yade esey obi yade ama obi aya abofra ayemobo ama busua bi aka abrabo epem because one sip of four ene yade ene nidi a aka na towe ene oyaresafo no onsan oyare Erade san yare anopai na ondo Abraham de kwa wieye ye de ye gina semde eno o ma ye hunu say we should take him by his word yem che erade o na sem so dia ene erade asem nyina ne say o ye yaresafo ma yaresa embra maye Okay, Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 6, another scripture where I am there. Also, nevertheless, I will bring health and healing to them, and I will heal my people and will let them enjoy the abundant peace and security. Nevertheless, I will bring health and healing. What's in a media pomodei? Any ayarisabe breme mai, ebe breme ma. Na mesa me ma yare amo matimi anya nigie e wo masumdwe ene wo mbambo itu yare e chese wasumdwe sei and I speak as a servant of God say Erade ayaresa enye kese e ma nia utibia no etiebia no ayaresa mbra on a page a message me say heal me O Lord and I will be healed. Erade sam yare na minya yaresa Erade sam sika sam yare sama warrior yare sama brabo yare sama dwuma yare adie biara yade abemu a eguo no Erade nsa yare na ayare sambrem. So ja message mami anopai say heal me O Lord, heal me O Lord and I will be healed. Heal me O Lord. Opa obet me short say heal me O Lord and I say heal me O Lord and I will be healed. And Erade ayaresa nyo chefa so ujidia type it na shout it a big amen e wo feel e wo yesterday monti amen. Erade shout na onka